Turn to start row 6. Row 6, we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet on top of the next double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet on the next space, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next space, then chain 1 and double crochet shell on the next chain 3 space, chain 2 and double crochet, 3 double crochets on the same space to complete the shell stitch, then chain 1 and single crochet on the next loop, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next loop, repeat chain 3 again and single crochet on the next space or loop. Since we are repeating the same instructions between asterisks, I'm going to stop making commentary and just do it. After last single crochet, then we are matching the edge of the other side, so chain 2 and double crochet on the next double crochet and double crochet on the second chain of the beginning, chain 3. This is the final row of this crochet motif, and I hope you like it and you can make several different projects out of this pattern, like a scarf, a blanket, afghan, or anything you wish. And I thank you all so much for watching and supporting my work, and please continue to support me for more upcoming projects. Thank you all so much.